Well, as COVID cases rise and COVID tests are becoming harder to find. KSLA News 12's Destiny Patterson at one of LSU's pop-up clinics, the one on Linwood Avenue, where lines are getting very long just to get a test.
After being closed for the holidays, LSU Health is back open for testing and vaccinations, and you can see just how long this line is. It wraps all the way to the front as well. And at the busiest time today, the line went almost all the way to the intersection of Kings Highway and Linwood, so it was extremely long. And even people who are trying to get at-home tests are struggling to get access to those because if you go online, most of them are sold out. Now, I talked to Dr. Van Cherry about this testing boom, and he says he actually thinks we've reached new levels of testing higher than even during the Delta surge. He also says that you may not necessarily need a COVID test. Take a listen.
It's a fine balance of, when there is so much COVID, in some ways testing is not, not even necessary because of the sense that, again, except for those high risk folks where there are treatments that we want to institute as quickly as possible. And to monitor those folks more closely because they may become sick very quickly. It's a hard balance.
It's important to note that COVID case counts are likely lower than what's being reported right now since so many people are turning to at-home tests. Coming up at 6, I'm going to tell you how our local hospitals are doing. Destiny Patterson reporting, KSLA News 12.